Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can remove watermarks from your video without using blur and free. To do that, go to media.io. Then you have to sign in or sign up. After signing in, go to this search bar and search watermark and click on watermark remover. And then upload the video here whose watermark you want to remove. And then with the help of brush, select the watermark. You can also adjust the brush size here. After selecting the watermark, click on remove objects now. This will take some time. You can also download this for Windows and install it on your phone. When this is completed, you can see our watermark is removed. You can download your file from here. Click on download and your file will start downloading. And that's how you can remove a watermark from your video without using blur and free. I hope you liked this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and we will see you in our next video.